Welcome to MSS Digital Hub. We are a digital marketing agency. Myself, Maruf Ahmed, CEO and founder in this very company. I'm a digital marketing trainer and I have been working in that field since 2012. Based on the experience that I gathered, I have established this company with a bunch of enthusiastic young people. We are promised to give you quality service for the expansion and branding of your company. We have more than 35 employees who have 5 to 7 years of experience in various types of works. If you have a look at our website, you could gain an overview of our service in the field of digital marketing. We could be your reliable company for a quality service within a possible shortest period of time and money. Hopefully, we will be satisfied with our work. We will be delighted as well to provide you with a good service. Have a good day.